How to use double tap to open any app on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. By default, when you double tap the power button, on the camera on your Samsung S23 Ultra and other Samsung device. To access any app, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on advanced features. Tap on advanced features. Now here you can find the side button option. Tap on the side button. Now here you can see double press. Make sure toggle on it. Now by default set quick launch camera. Choose the open app. Now tap the setting gear icon to select the application you want to access using the double tap on side button. Now select application from the list you want to quickly access from the home screen or any screen. Here we select Chrome. Now go to home screen or any screen and double press the power button and you can quickly access the application you want to set on your Samsung S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.